Vamoose, the expressive farewell. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we'll dive into a fun and expressive phrase in English, vamoose. Ever heard of it? Well, by the end of this video, not only will you know its meaning, but you'll also be able to use it in your daily conversations. Let's get started. The term vamoose might sound a bit funny, but its origins are fascinating. It's believed to have been derived from the Spanish word vamos, which means let's go. Over time, as different cultures interacted and languages merged, the English language borrowed this term and gave it a playful twist. That's how vamos became vamoose in colloquial English. Now, what does vamoose mean? Simply put, it means to leave quickly, or to get going. It's a casual and somewhat playful way of saying, let's go, or get out of here. Here are a few example sentences to help you understand its usage. 1. The movie's starting. Vamoose or we'll miss the beginning. 2. When she saw the bee, she vamoosed out of there in a hurry. 3. It's getting late. Time to vamoose. It's important to note that vamoose is informal. So, while it's great for casual conversations with friends, it might not be the best choice for formal settings or written English. Pronouncing vamoose is quite straightforward. It's pronounced vamoose, with the emphasis on the second syllable. Though vamoose is the most common form, you might sometimes hear variations like vamos. They all carry the same meaning, so you can pick your favorite. There you have it. The next time you're in a hurry or just want to add some flair to your departure, remember to throw in a cheeky vamoose. It's a fun word with an interesting history, and now you can use it confidently. Hope you found this video helpful. Keep exploring the beauty of the English language, and until next time, vamoose and happy learning.